You searched how to buy shares of Funko Inc., the pop culture collectibles company known for vinyl figures and licensed toys, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker FNKO. This video is educational only and not financial advice, so always do your own research. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FNKO to find Funko Inc. Select the listing that shows Funko on NASDAQ to ensure you open the correct stock page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart displaying recent trading activity. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and the FNKO ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. To invest, click the Order or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is filled, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow this example.